Hello everyone, Sam is from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video as a daily recap, right? Market recap. So let's get started. Now, you may know this guy, so it looks familiar, right? And now this is the man with the magic wand, and now he's after Canada. He's going to do some magic on Canada. All right, so let's get started with our video. And I want to explain something today. I made a mistake, and then I got an email that says, oops. So let me clarify that. Sometimes, mistakes can happen, right? So this is a chart I showed and before, in my video or sent out, I guess, or posted on the Telegram that euro yen is probably going to bounce from here. But I have it written here that after having a reversal candle on a 40-minute, wait for a 7-minute short entry. That was wrong. It's supposed to be long entry, right? My yellow mark is pointing towards the long side, right? To the upside. So it should be a long entry. But it's understanding that what I'm saying, even if you see some type of, like this type of mistake once in a while, if I do, then you should understand that, I'm not talking about going short here. You know my style, right? I never go short all the way down the down of the move, bottom of the move, or long on the top of the move, right? So I'm pointing, that means looking for long entry. But anyway, regardless, so let's see what happened really here. I want to show you while I'm talking about this that if I tell you that it is bouncing, it's probably going to bounce. I'm not saying that it will definitely bounce, and as soon as you get the chart, open a long entry. No, you don't supposed to do that. You're supposed to follow the instruction here. After having a reversal candle on 40, so what the heck is reversal candle? Let me show you first. The reversal candle, what I mean by this reversal candle. You see here, this candle in the middle. Let me open up a little bit more so that you can see very clearly. Look at it. Now it is probably clear, right? So you have these red candles, with the pretty big, almost half of the solid body, right? And the wick only in the bottom. But all of a sudden you have this where you have the wick at the top, you wick at the bottom, very small body, and it closes above the previous candle. So that is our reversal candle. Okay. And after that, and when this candle finishes, a new blue candle will start. That's how you know, right? So, and then the alarm will beep. If you have this, 40-minute reversal candle, it start beeping. So now you know exactly. You don't even have to watch it, right, all the time, but the alarm will beep that you have a reversal candle done. So after that, still, we're not supposed to open the trade. We're supposed to wait for what? For a 7 or 20-minute long entry. 7 or 20-minute entry, not long or short. But in this case was long. In this case is short. I just made this chart, so it says long entry. I changed this. Where it was written short here, right? So I'm not gonna write down short or long. You can understand by looking at my mark, right? So only in that direction, but. The idea is that after having a reversal candle, and you don't have to watch the chart all the time to see if the reversal candle is there, but just place this EA, the 40-minute reversal, and it will be. Then you know that is it exactly where I'm pointing, or is it exactly on some kind of level? And the most important levels are like 61% or 78 or in between, and then 23% line, any other SNL level, and then extension levels of price if turning from 127 to 161 or somewhere here, right? So these are most common turning points, and you will find some kind of SNL level around those Fibonacci level as well. So this is what I am doing all the time. So this was here, some kind of Fib level was there. Let me just draw. Get out of the way. Oh, wrong way. There. So let me see that if I have this, then okay. See, I said that it's probably gonna bounce from here because it was 127 here, right? So, like I just said, the reverse from extension, the reversal area is the zone is either 127 or 161 or in between. So sometimes, or most of the time, basically, it bounces from 127. But this case, it didn't. I made the chart that it might gonna be bouncing like this one. It was probably 127 here, right? It was exactly 127, by the way, this line here. This fib is the upside down, but you can see that 789 and just below, this much below, and then let's go there. Whoops, wrong broker. And you can see that, see this right here, it's 127. So I said, okay, maybe 127 will give us a bounce. If not, what's going to happen? It's going to go to 161 and then bounce. Simple, right? And the third confirmation is that we must have a reversal candle either way. Maybe this will not give us a bounce and then maybe continue dropping here all the way. Then we still don't go long, right? We wait until we have a reversal candle, alarm beeping. And then, even then, you don't open the trade. You now wait for a long entry from 7-minute chart. And then later on, maybe a couple of hours later, you will see a long entry on the 20-minute chart as well. So what happened here, the reversal candle was done. Then when the blue candle starts, the reversal candle finishes, right? So the blue candle started here. At what time? Look at the bottom. It's 7:43. So that means that is the time the alarm start beeping about reversal candle being placed, right? Being finished. So right after that, so 7:43. And after that, what do we need? We need a long entry on 7-minute chart, right? According to our rules. 7-minute chart, euro yen. This is euro yen 7-minute chart, and 7:43 is right here, right? So after that, look what happened. How hard it is. It's that simple. This is how simple it is if you just learn it. That's it. So you had entry here. Right after that, you have an entry here. You have an entry here. By the way, this is a refresh chart. When the chart wasn't refreshed, then you still get the entry, no problem. And so this is what I did. So what the idea is that if you have a reversal candle after this big move to the downside, you don't want to go short at all at no cost. You only want to go long. Then you place your robot on the 7-minute chart, make it long only. The choice, you have a choice there, right? On a 7-minute chart to make it long only. If you have CT, let's say I have 6 here, yeah. Okay, so you see that it says both, the direction, both? No, direction is either long or short. So you select long only. So that way, even if it drops a little more and then it gives you a short entry on a 7-minute, it's not going to take it because we don't want it at that point, right? We only want the long one. So like, for example, it's not going to take this one or this one or this one. These are the entries, right? But it is dangerous because it's eventually, it has gone too far down already in a straight line, then it's going to go up. So we only want the long because, and my chart pointing to the upside as well. So you just do that. And then from here, this, and I took this one and then here's my chart and here's my trade. See this after dropping, this, and it goes up, boom, boom, entry, after that is gone. 180 pip. Why? Because it's exceptional that, today is because the exceptional day because of those, the fundies, what was that? Rate decision and the press conference. Red news for yen. So yen got weaker badly, and this is what happened. The same thing to, every time, this is exactly what happened. After the news, especially, you will see that, if, the news comes out the other direction, then after, something dropping, then it changes directions. And most of the time, it changes direction from our level that I've been teaching that for years and years, right? What levels are? For retracement, for example, like, for example, this chart here. So it went up straight to what? 61%. Now I'm going to remove this one, right? So now I switch gear, and then now I'm looking to the downside. Now, what needs to be done is that you look for a fib level and previous SNR level as well from the weekly chart or monthly chart and all of that, right? So I have drawn these charts, numbers on the chart, right? So notice that here I had 127 and this number. So I said somewhere here, this location is important and then might have a turn. If not, then this location where we have 161 extension, it was there, right? 161. See that? 161 and that SNR level here. So this might be the turn, and then this was the turn. So when I make the chart that, it's going to go up from here, but I'm waiting. I'm not opening the trade right away. I'm waiting and I'm waiting and I'm waiting. Now, you're not supposed to be, sitting in front of the computer and watch and wait and watch, right? You have this alarm here, which is, you can hear beeping. See that? This window. So it is beeping right now that Euro USD 40 and, pound is long. Pound posted long already. That's what I wanted to show you. That exactly like Euro Yen drop big time, this is what happening here. This is my new chart I just made for Euro USD. You look at that big drop, right? My take was I posted on the Telegram already that when the price was here, I said this is wave 4 and we're supposed to be coming for wave 5 down here somewhere, and we came down here all right. So it's a previous. It's a channel, and it's 161, and then SNR level 31.99. But more importantly, these are two big numbers. So it may drop here before going to the upside, right? So that's the idea. Now we have a reversal candle already here, right? And the blue candle is underway. But do we have a long on 7? That's the question. Let me quickly take a look on the other computer. I don't want to mess around there. And that's the exact same idea will apply here. And we will look for long. No, right now, pound USD is still below the red. Everything is below the red, and it is short right now, right? So now the same scenario here. You see this SNR level 31.99 and 161 extension of this. Now, if we have this extension from here, check from everywhere. Well, I do that most of the time, but I'm showing you how I do it. So from here, you can see that 161 is all the way here. So it may come down here or may go up. If it is going up, I will wait until it gives me a long setup on 7 somewhere here. But 7 is short right now. So there is a chance that it may just drop more to 161. And then this number here, right? Until then, we don't want to do anything, right? So we have to wait. Why is double numbers here? Anyway. So somewhere here is going to go to the upside, just like Euro Yen. Now, after this big move to the upside, it's supposed to be coming down. It did. And going to the upside in this EMA, right? That's another rule of thumb that we have, that if the price is way away from the EMA, it will go back towards the EMA. Like this was away, coming back, away, going back, away, coming back. So it might be going back again, right? So this is all the time happening, and then these levels. Now, turning points, level between 61 to 78. And for example, 2, 3, 4. So how much was that? It made the turn. I made the chart, and then we traded beautifully. Why? Because you can see here that it was between 61 and 78. Right there, the number between that, 70.7, right? And it's from there, reversal candle, red candle, start, and then you get the 7-minute short entry, take that, and then 20-minute, take that, and then keep going to the downside, right? Just like if I show you that, I had it recently. The last one is this one, 70 pip. I had many trades coming down, the pound USD, but this is the last one that, again, it was like little retracement, then it started to come down. Little retracement, then it started to come down. So you look at it, and then you take this one, and then I had this one. See that? Coming down on the 29.70 pip from the top. In fact, I had many trades on this pound USD. So you got the idea that the reversal and then extension. Right now we are in extension, and then if you look at the extension, this one, then what we see that we are around 161 already, right? We are at 161. So very good chance that we do the same thing we did Euro Yen, and we did pound yen, and all of, that's exactly what happened. All of my traders are like that, right? They probably got, understand a little bit more better now that how I'm doing it, because, this will benefit the new people. Yes, I always have somebody new So this is what the 40-minute chart and this 40-minute reversal, without high-low, helps me. It beep, and then I see that, okay, what the heck is happening? Euro USD has a short, pound USD has a long. Conflict of information. So they should be on the same side, so I don't want to be bothered with that. Euro Aussie has short. I don't want that. I'm looking for long. So, you can take a look and then see what happens. So, yeah, this one, it could drop, but, it's in the middle. It was here when I said it's going to go up. So it went up a little bit, but not too much. It went up to 77.84 and got stopped here. This could be a long entry for 20-minute chart, from short 20-minute chart. And then it may go to TM. Time will tell. But right now is a very slow time. So when the session opens up, in next 10 minutes, it's going to open up. And then we will take it from there. So you got the idea? Now, so we have pound USD. You just saw euro USD. I don't know if pound USD go up because of that, then it might go up here before coming down. So it is at this level here, 14.12. This is euro USD, by the way, and then it can go up for a little retracement. Similarly, if you look at the pound yen, it is all the way up there. So I'm going to make the chart and then post on the Telegram later on. Euro yen, you already saw that it is at 61%, so I made the chart that might be dropping, right? Pound Aussie, nicely messed up, right? Pound USD is, on the other hand, it is all the way here. It may go up a little bit more. See, this 61% is here, SNL level is here, right? So this is the area that I'm expecting a reversal candle. So I'll make the chart and mark the yellow mark and all of that, and I'll post on the Telegram. So I want to explain that, how systematically I am taking these, and then you can do the same. Just learn, make it, bring some perfection in your style, and then, between the 40-minute reversal candle from any of these levels, either retracement or extension. If you try to trade something in the middle of the move, then very, very good chance that your SL is going to hit, because it wobble here, up, down, up, down. You think it's dropping, it's going to go up. You think it's going to go up, it's going to drop, right? So until you find something, either is an extension area or a retracement area, don't bother. So 40-minute chart, I look for those areas. The price always goes back and forth in between those, right? See, for example, it was from here to here. You can see that it reversal candle is half below the 127 and half above. After that, it went up. It's supposed to be bouncing from here. It went up, but the fundy came down. Came out, and then it went down again one more time. So that happens. SL will hit most, all the time, no problem. But when you lose maybe 10 pip, 15 pip, 20 pip, right? But when you make like, let me show you a couple of trades. This is the last one, the very last one. Today, in fact, the trades, this is a 70 pip, right? So when you, have a good entry, let it run until you hit the USD yen. See that? From here, obviously, USD was getting strong and yen got weaker. So that's what's going to happen. So that happened. And that's 20-minute chart, by the way. And then 75 USD yen. This is Omar's computer. He took the other entry. This is a euro yen 180, and this is pound yen 150. So if your SL is hitting, don't worry about it. This is exactly what happened here, pound yen as well, just like euro yen. It was down here. All of a sudden, the news start to come, right? And the reversal candle, and boom, the first entry, the second entry, the third entry, and then entry, and then it's just gone with the wind. Right? So this is how you're supposed to be doing. And we have a few setups right now, but I'll be looking for more. USD CAD, for that matter, that it is going up because he just put, raised the tariff from 25 to 35. So obviously it's going to go up a little bit, right? But going long here, it's not a very good idea. So 161 is coming with this SNL level. You see that? This 161 extension, 127 is already gone. So now it may be going to 161 and then 38, 98. And I'll make a new chart saying, now you know how I'm making the charts, right? It's so simple. So this would be my Elliott wave count as well. It's A, B, C, B, then C straight up. And this is going to be finishing wave 4. And then probably something will happen to USD. I don't know. Or it may go up even higher. It depends, right? So I'm going to make the chart and wait until we get a reversal candle. If before that, we're not touching anything. So I make the chart that there is a very good chance that it will go to 161 and then 38.98. Now, what if instead of going there, you have a reversal candle right there, and then you have a red candle, and then you go in? Simple as that, right? Somewhere here, the conditions are you get the reversal candle, and after that, you get a 7-minute entry, short or long, whatever the situation is, right? Long from here, short from here. Simple as that. So either extension level, look for extension levels and or a retracement level. Right. So I'm gonna close this video now and send it out, and because I have to run my prayer time, and then after that I'll make the sum charts and I will post on the Telegram. So you get it from there and take it from there, right? And show me your trades. Show me. Take the trades and show me. Don't hesitate, right? Send me an email. Send me the trades that this is what I took. What happened? If it's wrong, if it's a false one, then I'll tell you that this is why this is a false one. Many, not many, but the newcomers, they see that the conditions, and they're taking, for example, here, right? A short, this short, and this short, and this short, not looking at the 40-minute chart, which is completely extended to the downside, and there's no way that you can go short. You have to go long, right? But then you go this much long, and then what? It may go up a little bit more. Like I said, from 61, it can go to 78, but somewhere there from 61 to more than that, or 78, somewhere there, I need a short entry. I need to go to the short side. This is what exactly happened all the time. All these waves, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you try to catch these turning points. And they turn from a specific level. Even they turn sometimes randomly, but we don't want that because those are dangerous turns, right? For example, if this one here, obviously you can tell what the heck happened here. There was a 61%, oh, sorry, 78, I think. Let's measure that, and you will be surprised that it is exactly 78%. See that? So that's how, right? So I'm gonna just, like I said, close the video, and then put it to convert, and then I'll post on the video, YouTube, and then give it to you guys, and I'm gonna post on the Telegram. Watch it and learn it. And I'm telling you, what I just told you in this video, if you understand it and learn it, you wouldn't even need my 40-minute chart as well. You will just only use my, the system on your own, and then trade it like Dwayne is doing it beautifully. He every day he sent me some new trades, taking exactly the same entries that I am taking. So anyway, this is it for now, and let me just run and talk to you guys later. Stop recording.